Today we have a special guest. We have my daughter Daniela here with us today. She's gonna help me make some vegan cinnamon rolls. What are we making today? We're making cinnamon rolls. Yeah. So this is super easy and I can't wait to show you because it's so good. Yeah. So to start off, you're gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. And you're gonna need 1 cup of milk. All right, we're gonna put the milk in here.
Okay, milk.
Yeah, put the milk in here. Oh, dang. So here we have the 1 cup of milk, and now we're gonna add the 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. The one with no soy.
Hi.
So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons. You ready?
Ready?
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What did you do?
Here's 1.
Yes.
Ooh. Gotta put like this. 1.
What?
2. Don't touch. And then 3.
Good job.
Good job, mommy.
Good job.
Okay, 5.
5. Good job.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the microwave and I'm gonna heat this up, not where it boils. Okay, we don't want it to boil. We just want it hot, and then we're gonna let it cool down until it's warm. To heat it up, you're gonna do 30 seconds at a time. So if you do 30 seconds and it's not melted yet, then go ahead and add 30 more seconds. But do not go past 30 seconds every time you try to heat it up. Alright, so our butter and milk, it's warm enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle the yeast. I'm gonna sprinkle the yeast. No, Mom, I'm gonna put it here. I'm just gonna stir it a little bit.
Okay, Mommy.
Alright, now I'm just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. What are you doing? You drawing? What are you drawing? Aw, you're so sweet.
Okay.
You love your sister? Alright, so our yeast has risen. Right, Mama? Right? So this is the yeast. I'm gonna go ahead and add the tablespoon of sugar and the salt. Okay, Mama, you gonna put it in here?
Okay.
Come on, let me get a fork. Wait, hold on. Go ahead, put this in there.
Okay.
No, you put this in here. Take this,
Okay.
put it here.
But here. Okay. Okay.
Now we're gonna stir it, Mama. We're gonna stir it.
Okay.
Go ahead, stir it. Oh, be careful. Okay, I got it.
Oh, no.
I got it.
Oh. Okay.
Now we're gonna put it here.
Here. Okay.
No, don't touch.
Okay.
And now we're gonna go ahead and start adding the flour.
Okay.
You gonna watch? I don't have a whisk, so you know, I gotta go old fashioned and use a fork. after we finish the dough, we're gonna rinse the bowl and add a little tiny bit of oil, rub it around the bowl, and then put the dough back in the bowl, wrap it with plastic wrap and let it rise, and it's gonna sit for an hour. It's gonna double its size. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Nice and soft. Now we're gonna rinse the bowl, add it back with some oil, and let it sit for an hour. Alright, so now I'm gonna let it sit for an hour and we'll be guys. So the dough has risen and it's double its size now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle some flour onto a surface so we can roll the dough. And you're also going to need some cinnamon mixed in with some sugar. You can put as much as you want. It's up to your preference. So I've mixed in my cinnamon with my brown sugar. And also you're gonna need some melted butter and something like this so that you can rub on the butter onto the dough. And that way, you know, we sprinkle the cinnamon all over it. So, look how soft this is. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so we're gonna roll this into a big rectangle. If you want, you can go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 while you're rolling this, so that way, by the time you finish, it'll be ready, and you just throw it in the oven. guys, this is what they look like when they're done. It smells so good. It smells so good. So good, and it's so fluffy and soft and cinnamony. You guys are gonna love this so much. I can't wait for you to try this. Like, you need to try this. It's so good. Please let me know how yours turned out down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful and if you enjoyed making this. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.